Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. Today, we're talking storage. Specifically, turning an old 2.5-inch drive into a portable external one. And I picked up something dirt cheap off AliExpress to do it. This is the Orico 2.5-inch HDD enclosure. USB micro B to USB Type-A, and yes, it supports UASP. If you don't know what that is, don't worry, I'll break it down in a second.
First impressions. It's small, it's light, and it's tool-free. No screwdriver, no screws, nothing. You just pop the cover, slide your drive in, snap it shut, done. Takes maybe 10 seconds. Let's talk performance. This thing runs on USB 3.1 Gen 1. Max transfer speed of 5 gigabits per second. And with UASP enabled, that's up to 70% faster than a regular USB 3.0 enclosure. It works with 7mm and 9.5mm drives, so both slim SSDs and thicker laptop HDDs. Capacity support goes up to 4 terabytes. There's an LED indicator on the front, so you can actually see when the drive's active. It's got auto sleep too. After 10 minutes of no activity, the drive spins down, which is honestly a nice touch for battery and drive lifespan. And it's hot swappable. Plug and play, no drivers needed. Works on Windows, Mac, Linux, basically anything with a USB port. Now, here's why I actually picked this up. I've got old 2.5-inch drives lying around, pulled from old laptops, and instead of throwing them out, this turns them into usable external storage. Backup drive, file transfer, even booting an old OS off it if you want to get creative. For the price on AliExpress, this is a solid pickup. It's not flashy, it's not premium build quality, but it does exactly what it says. If you've got spare drives collecting dust, this is a cheap way to bring them back to life. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.